Glock 17 double bell repair, steel hammer and blowback housing replacement and fittings. So this one is the hammer and the blowback. This one is the replacement, and the other one is the hammer is broken, so I decided to change the full set. It was fitted WE. This is the blowback housing and the Glock 17 WE and double bell. It was not so perfectly proportioned, so we have to do something. You have to sand it with sandpaper. So it's okay. It was fitted in the barrel, in the sliding. So you will notice it was just so perfectly fit. Yes, you have to sand a little, like 2 mm. So now, last fitting. You can see it's all good now. You can put the nozzle now and then just check it if it's okay. It must be not so tight, and see how to put it, and just like that. And if it's not so, you can put some oil or lubricant in here. I just put some oil, and then you can just test it like that. So it must be perfect. And in here you will see the hammer set. You just have to, you don't have to do something. You just replace it, and then you will see, just like that. And then you will see the hammer. You just have to test it. So now you can assemble it in the top slide. Now make sure you put the spring, and then put it in the slide, and then you will put the back and just fit it right there, and then the side in the top. Just make sure it was fitted and no other problem, and just like that. And then you can put the, okay, you must check the slide if it's good, and then you put the screws and make sure it was tightened, so there's no problem. And then double check again the slide, the nozzle, and make sure it was okay. So then you can put the barrel, and you can assemble it again. And then the recoil spring, yeah, you just have to make sure that your fitment is okay, and then just like that. And make sure the barrel will move freely, and then just like that. You have to push it, okay. And then now you can put the top and the slide down, and now just like that. Just make sure it's freely, and you can test it, okay. Now we can test it. Just put some green gas, just a little bit for now, for the testing only. And now you can, and then test fire it, okay, and then it's cooking out.